Let's talk about the commercial capabilities of these recirc and standard tankless water heaters. High temperature is going to be one of the first things we're going to look at. Both the recirc and the standard unit can be set to a maximum temperature of 185 if needed. Keep in mind, when I convert to any temperature or set temperature above 140, you are required to use at least CPVC or polypropylene vent material. Speaking of venting, we can common vent up to 8 units within a single bank, and that's going to simplify the installation, meaning one penetration for the exhaust as well as one penetration for the air for up to 8 units. Maximum units in a cascade are 16. So that means 16 units that can serve the capacity of that application. Up to 2 of those 16 models can be recirc models to handle the recirc for that building. The rest would be standard models. That's a quick overview of the commercial capabilities for the recirc and standard tankless water heaters.